cashing out, unveiling Cash App's ATM fees, and how to avoid them. Ever been in a situation where you desperately need cash, but your bank account is looking a little, well, empty? We've all been there. Maybe it's for an unexpected car repair, a last-minute birthday gift, or that sudden craving for the perfect street tacos. In these moments, mobile payment apps like Cash App can be a lifesaver. But what happens when you need cold, hard cash in your hand? Can Cash App help, and if so, how much will it cost you? Building context. Cash App is a fantastic tool for sending and receiving money electronically. It's convenient, fast, and often free. But there's one area where things can get a little tricky: withdrawing cash. Unlike a traditional bank account with a debit card, Cash App relies on ATMs for physical cash withdrawals. And that's where fees can creep in. Addressing the main question. So, let's cut to the chase. How much does Cash App charge to withdraw $1,000? Here's the breakdown. Cash App itself charges a flat fee of $2.50 for every ATM withdrawal, regardless of the amount. That means if you withdraw $100 or $1,000, you'll still be charged $2.50 by Cash App. Important note: double trouble. But wait, there's more. On top of Cash App's fee, you might also encounter an additional charge from the ATM operator itself. These ATM fees can vary depending on the location and the bank that owns the ATM. So, while Cash App guarantees its $2.50 fee, the ATM you use could tack on another charge, potentially adding another $3 to $7 to your withdrawal. Feeling the pinch? Exploring alternatives. So, is withdrawing $1,000 from Cash App a bad deal? Not necessarily, but it's important to be aware of the potential costs. Here are a few ways to minimize the fees. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need cash, try to withdraw smaller amounts throughout the month. This way, you can avoid the ATM fees altogether if you meet Cash App's direct deposit requirement, which we'll discuss in a moment. Find fee-reimbursing ATMs. Some banks offer in-network ATMs that don't charge withdrawal fees. If you have a bank account with such an option, consider using their ATM instead. Utilize Cash App transfers. Remember, Cash App is great for electronic transfers. If you can use your Cash App balance to pay for something directly, or transfer it to your bank account for free, standard transfers take 1 to 3 business days, you can avoid ATM fees altogether. The direct deposit game changer. Here's a hidden gem in Cash App's policy. If you receive $300 or more in direct deposits to your Cash App balance in a given month, Cash App will reimburse you for up to 3 ATM withdrawal fees, up to $7 per withdrawal, for the following 31 days. That's a pretty sweet deal. So, if you can plan your finances around receiving a qualifying direct deposit, you can significantly reduce or even eliminate ATM fees associated with your cash withdrawals. To sum it up, withdrawing $1,000 from Cash App will cost you $2.50 from Cash App itself, and potentially another fee from the ATM operator. However, with a little planning and by taking advantage of features like direct deposit reimbursements, you can minimize these costs and make Cash App a convenient tool for accessing your cash. So, next time you're considering a Cash App withdrawal, remember these tips. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other Cash App fee-saving hacks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.